Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we discussed about what are security groups. Today we'll focus on what is user-based security group. This is a more specific way of granting security in Workday. What is a user-based security group? A user-based security group is a security group tied directly to individual worker. Unlike role-based, which applies to everyone with a role in a supervisory org, user-based is used when you want to give special or exceptional access to a specific person. A user-based security group is a unconstrained security group that is assigned manually to individual users. It works across the organization without any restrictions, making it one of the most powerful security groups in Workday. These groups are typically assigned to people who perform global activities requiring broad access. Unlike role based, they are not inherited from superior to subordinate because this type of security group can provide access to sensitive information. It is used very carefully, not assigned to just anyone. For example, if you take a payroll specialist who needs temporary access to payroll reports, a consultant who needs limited access for a project. What are the key features? Direct assignment. It assigned to a person, not a role or job. It is one-to-one relationship, that is one user has one user-based security group. Use it sparingly. Typically use it for exceptions, not regular access. Why we use user-based security group? To handle exceptions without changing overall role structures. For testing purposes, giving QA team members specific access. For temporary consultants or auditors. Let's understand this. If we take a user, this is user-based security group. This is big role. User-based security group. Payroll reports domain. This does have view access. User-based security group. Which is direct access for one individual. Which is the user is directly connected to user-based security group, which is then assigned to one domain like payroll reports. This gives user unique access separate from her role-based access, which has direct access for the individual. Let's see what are the interview questions. When would we use a user-based security group? When we need to give a specific person unique access, for example, a consultant or a payroll specialist who needs extra permissions. Why should we use user-based security group? To use sparingly, because it makes security harder to manage if too many exceptions are created. Role-based groups are more scalable and easier to maintain. Can a single user belong to multiple security groups, including user-based security? A user can belong to multiple groups, user-based, role-based, etc. Workday combines their access so the user gets the highest level of permissions available. What are the risks of overusing user-based security groups? Overusing them can lead inconsistent access, security loops, and difficulty in auditing. That's why they should be only used for exceptions, not for regular access. These are the few interview questions. Thank you for watching. Today we learned about user-based security groups in Workday, how they are different from role-based. In the next video, we will explore what is role-based security. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more Workday content and other things. Thank you.